Here are 3 ways to make your ad copy, e.g. your captions for your ads, stand out amongst the rest. Number 1, call out your audience and call them out by both gender and location, right? So if whatever city you're in, if you're in Cork City, say, hey Cork City Men, and have your ad for Cork City Men, and then have a separate ad for women. Hey Cork City Women, and just directly call out your audience. You can even start splitting that into ages. Hey Cork City Men aged 30 to 50 years old. You know, you can get very, very specific, and if you call out your audience directly, it will resonate with them better than if you were very broad and vague about who you're talking to. Number 2, ask your audience a question that will emotionally resonate with them. So an example of this is, do you want to lose weight and feel amazing for summer 2023? Right, that can catch a lot of people. Or for example, a question that we used coming out of lockdowns was, are you sick of home workouts? If so, get back into the gym, you know? So pick something that will emotionally resonate with them. Number 3, use emojis. Now, use emojis sparingly because you can definitely use way too many of them. But if you strategically place emojis throughout your ad, especially at the beginning, like the first 1 or 2 characters of your ad could be, you know, maybe a fire emoji, or you could use, you know, rocket emojis, love heart emojis, like something there at the beginning, often at the very beginning of your first sentence and the very end of your first sentence, and I'd use the same ones at the beginning and the end, can be pretty powerful there to create like a headline effect on your ads. And then throughout the rest of your ad copy, you can use relevant emojis as well to help structure things. They can be so powerful. Just don't overuse them, be careful, and don't completely reuse the same emojis throughout your ad again and again and again. There is a method to the madness there in terms of the magic of emojis, but it can definitely be a way that helps your ad stand out amongst the rest. And here's a 4th bonus tip. I want you to capitalize the important words in your ad. You can bring attention to specific words by capitalizing them, and that alone can have a powerful effect on what you're doing because it really drags people's attention to those words. And if they're your key important words, put them in capital letters. But again, do not overuse this either.